I do this all the time on a pretty piece love bake hearts shirt. The line is set way back with signs on each side and one overhead telling people to stop at this line. I will block the entire intersection through. Pretty piece love bake hearts shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. Came here to say this. In this particular case, it's not a pretty piece love bake hearts shirt. But yeah, if I'm making the turn and you're hanging out there way over that stop line, I'm going to continue my turn until I'm close enough to your car that it's very clear you're in the official pretty piece love bake hearts sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. Fuck. Yeah, I still remember when I was a kid and discovered you could do the horn pull gesture. Whatever it's called. And sometimes truckers would blow the horn. I wish I could do that as a pretty piece love bake hearts shirt. 5-lane highways can be your best friend in this situation. Just get in the right lane and try to get their attention. Other product.